Samsung's next big software update is almost here, and based on a newly leaked changelog, One UI 8.5 is going to be one of the biggest upgrades Samsung has released in years. This is not a small update with minor improvements. It is a major jump that brings new AI features, a smarter version of Bixby, improved battery controls, and new tools that help Samsung devices work together more smoothly. The update is expected to start rolling out next month. One UI 8.5 was originally expected to debut with the Galaxy S26 series early next year, but the leak shows that Samsung has already built a large number of features for it. The company appears to be focusing heavily on AI and smarter usability, aiming to compete with Google and Apple, who are already making huge steps in AI-based software. One of the biggest highlights of One UI 8.5 is the new Galaxy AI improvements. Samsung is not just adding small shortcuts or simple tools. Instead, it is introducing features that could change how people edit photos, manage files, and complete tasks. A new feature called Continuous Image Generation will let users generate different versions of an image, and then go back through the entire history of creations without filling the gallery with unnecessary files. It makes the editing process cleaner and more organized. Samsung is also improving local AI editing for photos. This means users can change objects, adjust backgrounds, or make precise fixes directly inside the Samsung photo editor. They won't need to export images to third-party apps. Some leaks even suggest that Samsung is adding tools similar to Google's advanced markup features, offering deeper and more intelligent image editing. Another major upgrade is coming to Bixby. For a long time, Samsung's Assistant has fallen behind Google Assistant and other new AI tools, but One UI 8.5 could finally give Bixby the improvements people have been waiting for. The leak suggests that Bixby will be able to understand natural conversations better, respond faster, and offer smarter suggestions. Users will also get a conversation history feature, so they can review past interactions instead of starting over each time. Even more useful is that Bixby will be available across apps without needing to be manually opened. This makes the Assistant feel more like a modern AI helper, always ready to offer support when needed. Samsung clearly wants Bixby to compete with advanced assistants like Gemini. One UI 8.5 is also adding a new feature called Storage Share. This feature will let users access files from their Samsung phone, tablet, or PC directly from the My Files app on their phone. It works like a unified cloud system for all Samsung devices, making file sharing and access much easier for people who own multiple Galaxy products. Samsung is also introducing quick shortcuts that allow users to instantly mirror their phone to a TV with just one tap on the home screen. Enhanced Auracast support is coming as well, making it easier to share audio with multiple earbuds or supported devices. A new feature called Voice Broadcast allows users to send their voice directly to Auracast receivers, which can be helpful in classrooms, events, or group activities. Battery controls are getting a complete redesign. The battery settings page will now show clearer graphs, better estimates, and more detailed charging information. Power saving mode is becoming more customizable, giving users more options to control what features stay active. There's also a new maximum mode, which shuts off nearly everything except the essential functions for emergencies. Samsung is also improving smaller parts of the system, including accessibility features, the quick panel layout, weather, health, security, and privacy, and quick share. Screen recording will also allow users to record only a selected area instead of the full screen. According to the leaked roadmap, the beta version of One UI 8.5 may start rolling out on December 8 in a few markets and then expand over time. The stable update is expected to arrive early next year. Overall, One UI 8.5 appears to be Samsung's most advanced update yet, focusing on AI-powered features and stronger device integration. If everything in the leak is true, Galaxy users will soon get a much more powerful, flexible, and smart software experience across their devices.